Brilliant. So, what's your name?
Lachlan.
Nice to meet you, Lachlan. And
Jamie.
Jamie, right. I'm going to show you the greatest card trick of all time, and it revolves around this. This is a magic button. Every time, Jamie, every time you press that button, magic happens. Which I know sounds ridiculous, but it's true. It's a magic button. I'm going to prove it to you. You are in charge of the button. Do not press it until I say. Your job is to pick a card. Now, before I start, if you want to give these cards a mix, you want to check them out with a reel, you can do, or you can let me shuffle them. It's up to you. Have a look at them. You obviously don't trust me. I don't blame you. Never trust a magician. We're paid to cheat for a living. Excellent. Ideally, Lachlan, when you finish shuffling them, if you could put them back in the original order, that makes the trick so much better and easier for me, to be perfectly honest. You're not going to do that. That's fine. Perfect. I'll give them one shuffle as well. Now, your job is to pick a card. But you're going to pick a number card, not a picture card. So not a jack, not a queen, not a king. Any card with a number on. All right, so I'll spread them out so you can see them. Take a number card. Now, whatever you do, don't show me, because that's not a good trick. That's rubbish. You can show Jamie, show the camera, don't show me. And then I'm going to give you a pen. And you're going to make this card unique by writing your name on the face of the card. Not on the back, on the face. Not on your face, on the face of the card. Just to be clear. Big letters on the card, write your name. There you go. And underneath, if you could put your bank account number and social security number, that would be amazing. And then when you're done, we will continue. There we go. So now that card is unique, unless you have a habit of signing playing cards, and that would be weird, let's be honest. So you put that card back there. We'll leave that card down in the middle of the deck so it goes somewhere, and I will give the cards a few cuts to make sure it really is lost. Now, what you're about to see, don't even know if that was your card. That would have been amazing. Was that your card?
No.
Would have been good. Right, so here's what I'm going to do. Somewhere in here is your card. Now, I could find your card by using sleight of hand, which would take me years and years and years of practice, or I could use the button. I'm going to take one card out the pack and one card only. This card right here, the Jack of Hearts. Is that your card?
No.
One down, 51 to go. It's a long trick. It takes a while. Most magicians do this face down, Jamie. I'm going to do it face up. I'm going to try and turn this card into your card. When you press the button, it will happen. Watch the card. Press the button, Jamie. Yeah. And that's when that jack turns right there into your card with your name on it.
Oh my God.
Now that is not real magic. Real magic looks like this. Take half the cards for me. There you go. And spread them out face down like this, parallel to the floor. Perfect. And I'm going to put this 5, your card, right there into the pack. Can you give them one shuffle for me? And then when you've shuffled, put them right there on the packet on the table, just on there. Very good. Now this time we're going to find your card in an even more amazing way. Are you ready? Yeah. Press the button, Jamie. That's it. Do you know what happens when you press the button? Your card vanishes from the deck. Even though you shuffled that card into the back yourself, it vanishes. I can tell that Jamie doesn't believe me, but it really has gone. That card vanishes from the deck. It does 6 somersaults invisibly, and even though the box has been on the table the whole time, look at that, Lachlan, there's one card underneath the box. Turn it over. That is your card. Now, here's what people think I do. They think I use sleight of hand. They think that I take that 5, pop it down on the table right there, and when you're not looking, I put the box on top. Now, you didn't think I did that, because I don't. I use the button. Watch. You press the card, put the card in the middle, press the button. That's it, just once. Up in the air, 6 somersaults. Works every time. Turn it over, have a look.
No.
Do you see this, the 5? Do you see the signature there, Lachlan? You see
Yes.
the signature, yeah? This is crazy. Every time I press the button, a different thing happens. Watch the card. Look, Jamie, I'm going to put it in the middle. Say, press the button. Do you know what happens when you press the button that time? Did you see it go? No, the entire deck. Look under the box. Look under the box, Lachlan. What?
No.
Yes!
Shit.
Look, Lachlan, there's nothing under the box, right? Put your finger gently on top. I'm going to put the card, keep it there so I can't get anything under there, you see. I'm going to put the card down in the middle, and it's still going to go under the box. No. Now, if you think I've cheated, you can have a very tiny peek underneath. I'm a little bit offended by that, Lachlan, whatever. Keep the finger there, press the button. If I told you the card was under the box now, would that be good?
Yeah.
Have a look. Yeah, that would have been good. I'm not that good. But you know what happened when you pressed the button?
What?
Now, There's one card inside the box.
Stop.
No.
In the box. Take it. Turn it over.
Stop.
You're kidding.
How is this
Well, every trick needs a big finish. We'll do it one more time. Press the button. Did you see it go that time, Lachlan? Did you see it go, Jamie? Look, not the card, the entire deck. And the reason is your card, the entire deck. There was one card in here a second ago, but now that would be every single card in. You look very confused about this whole scenario, right?
You got me good, hey. This is the best magic I've seen.
Well, I'll tell you what, we're going to try it one last time because, you know, I can keep putting the card in the box forever, but we need a big finish. Very quickly shuffle those cards for me again, Lachlan. You happy? You good? When you've done that, hold them. I don't even want to touch them. Hold them in your hand as if you're about to deal a game of poker, yeah? Now, you could have shuffled the card to the top. Make sure that's not the top card. It's not your card. No? Watch. And there's nothing in the box, right, Jamie?
No.
Okay. We'll put the box right there. Nothing in the box. Nothing under the box. One more time, Jamie. Press the button. Oh, God. I'll press it again. One more time. It's meant to be a beep. It's meant to. Is it under the box? Is it inside the box?
No.
Is it on bottom of the? That happens sometimes.
Yeah.
You broke my button.
Sorry.
It's okay. It's my fault. I shouldn't have picked you. Do you know what happens when the button breaks, though?
No.
You have no idea.
No.
You've been pressing this button the whole time, right?
Yes.
Check this out. Look, if I unscrew the button, there's a card in there, Jamie. One card only. Lachlan, this card has been inside the button that Jamie has been holding on to from the very beginning. This would be impossible.
Oh my god.
What? Fuck. No.
I don't know. Hey, this is wild.
Oh my god.
I'm lost for words.
Well,
That is.
no idea. But I tell you what, I want to say thank you for helping, and you can keep that as a souvenir there, Lars, for you.
Thank you so much. Holy shit.
That was amazing. I don't know how that happened.